Hello, my name's Ian Moore. I am the CEO of the Fire Industry Association, and the FIA, as we'll shorten it to, and we keep saying that every 5 seconds, represents about 800 companies in UK. We're a not-for-profit organisation that's purely focused on fire safety to the public. We have a section in FIREX, as we always do. I think there's a very good relationship between UBM and ourselves in FIREX. It's a long-standing relationship. So we have an open area. It's actually a bar, but I'd probably best not say that. But it's basically an open meeting area that there are drinks available. And basically it's for our members to meet their customers and also for us to meet new people and discuss where we're going. There's lots of presentations ongoing. I'm involved in some to do with tall buildings, to do with Brexit. We have people talking about the standards, and obviously they're constantly changing all the time. And of course we talk about these courses that we've discussed when we talk about competency. So the training courses we are delivering we'll be discussing at length at FIREX. So like always, we're very much looking forward to it.